ng ating mga bisita right now. And I also want to check your vibe and your energies. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari ko nga mapakarinig mo muna. Mula po sa inyong lahat ang isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang si Gabay John! Ganyan dapat ang ating vibe and energy that we are looking for this afternoon. Because of course, ganyan dapat tayong kasaya. Because this day is a time to celebrate, rejoice, and also be united together. Because we are all gathered here to celebrate not just one, but two very special occasions for our two birthday celebrations maganda ngayong hapong ito. So, ibig sabihin, we are about to experience a double celebration ngayong araw. And by the way, good afternoon once again to each and every one of our guests out there. And welcome aboard here at the Unicorn Motor Club. Sa Unicorn po dito sa Buena Vista, Santa Maria, Bulacan. And once again, hindi mo lamang po, we are all gathered here this time to celebrate the first birthday and christening celebration of Baby Patricia together with the 7th birthday of our birthday boy din ngayong araw na ito na si Primo. But of course, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, hindi tayo makakapagpatuloy po ng ating munting programa kung wala po dito sa gitna ang ating dalawang may birthday and together with their family on stage. So that's why we are about to welcome them on stage over here by means of a grand entrance. So of course, we would like to request everybody po to please bear with us all throughout the program. Marami po kami itinandang mga pasabog, sorpresa, and games para sa lahat. So stand by and stay tuned with that. But before anything else, may I request na po about sa natin mga bisita to please rise. Magsipagtayo na po tayo lahat. And let us all stand, ladies and gentlemen, because it is about time that we are now going to welcome on stage our birthday celebrants. Yes, with an S yan. Birthday celebrants po ngayong hapong ito together with their family on stage. At hinihiling ko lang po ang lahat ng ating mga bisita natin dito ngayong araw na syempre naman po once I call the name of the two birthday celebrants together with their family is of course na po naman natin sila ng inyong pangmalakasang palakpakan na may kasamang malakas na energy at hiyawan. Okay? So, tanungin ko lang po ang ating mga bisita. So, text ko ang energy nyo. Let us see. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? O, ba't ka lang sumagot? Sabi ko pa energy yun. Testing. Dahil sabi, ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Ayun. Ayan. Kung kaya nyo mong ipamikitan ang pinakamataas ng level ng energy nyo to celebrate and to welcome our family much better. Again, pag tinawag po natin sila at habang papalag sila dito sa ating entablado, salubungan naman natin sila ng inyong malakas na presensya at palakas na palakpakan na may kasamang iyawan. Alright, so I believe that we are all set. So that is why praise the Lord and get ready. Because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our not just one, but two birthday celebrants and happening together with their parents, Mommy Louisa, Daddy Patrick, together with Philip. Welcome natin, the one and only, the student to Patricia and Bruno. Alright, so much boss DJ and everybody please remain standing lamang po. Manatili lang po tayo nakatayo because we are about to do good things ngayong araw na ito. And the first thing that we are about to do is ngayon mismo na bibilang lang po ko ng tatlo. Sabay na po natin agad-agad patiin ang ating dalawang birthday celebrants this afternoon. So I'll be counting 1, 2, 3 and we are about to shout happy birthday to them. Happy birthday lang naman sa lakas natin para madinig po nila. Ready? Here we go! 3, 2, 1, everybody say! Happy birthday! Yeah. And everybody, maraming salamat po muli. Please remain standing up po as we are about to formally begin our program, of course, with our opening prayer invocation. Kasama na rin po na ating prayer before meal. So may I call on Nina Elia Margaret Hernandez to lead our opening prayer sa lahat. And my name is Host Rita, as your Miss Rachel this afternoon. And I'll be your host and singer at the same time for Prima's 7th birthday and Patricia's 1st birthday. Kasi palakpakan naman natin po din sila. And of course, wala that you're about to encounter right now. More on games, performances, and we also have a special guest maya-maya who will be performing with us during our field rubber. And meron din po tayong mga tatawagin later on, right after this actually, for the special messages from our birthday celebrant. So speaking of birthday messages and special messages, and ito na nga. Support. Sure. Mag-focus mo lang po okay. Touch her siya, alright? So, today happens to be her first birthday and also her christening. So, of course, meron po tayong mga ipapakilala sa inyo. On stage, we selected the godparents or ninong at ninang ng ating birthday celebrant here. And then we calling it on stage, of course, to give their special message bilang ninang or ninong ng ating birthday girl. And after this, I'll be calling the selected family members of Primo to do the same thing. Okay? So, umpisahan mo muna natin for the family and the ninong-ninong muna po tayo. Okay lang po ba para makapakilala at ma-honor po yung ating ninong-ninang? Is it okay? Magsitayuan lang po yung ninong-ninang natin. Ipat nyo siya. Tayo nga po lahat. Ninong-ninang, tayo lang po. Sige na. Ayan. Okay na. Okay na lang po kung Lydia. Ayan, okay. Magandang araw po. And as promised, may tatawagin lang po ako from our ninang and ninang to give a message for Patch Bishopers all the way Primo. Okay? And ang selected ninong-ninang po nakakatawan sa kabuuan natin ninong-ninang who will be given a message to Zia. Palakpakan naman natin. First up is Ninang Mika. Ayan, nandito ba si Ninang Mika? On stage po tayo, Ninang Mika. K-N-I-K-K-A po yung spelling ng pangalan ni Ninang Mika. Nandito pa, okay. How about Ninang Mirna? Nandito po si Ninang Mirna? Ba? Is it okay to join us here? Okay na ba? Sige, lapitan po na lang si Ninang. Normal lang naman. Hi ma'am, magandang araw po sa inyo. So on behalf of mga kasamahan ng Ninang, ikaw po ang isa sa inatasan ng parents ni Patricia or ni Zia na magsanggol ng message. Ano lang naman, okay? Ano po ba ang message niyo po for your inaanak, baby Catchfish and Zia?
Zia, lumaking mabait na bata.
Lumaking mabait na bata. Parang naman natin si Ninang. Of course, Ninang naman po tayo. Nandito naman si Ninang Oscar. Ninang Oscar po, nandito ba siya? Ninang Oscar. Okay, how about Ninang Joshua? Ayun, pinuturo. Ayan, so, yung iba natin Ninang is they're not around. But, kahit paano meron naman na tayong representative. So, Ninang Joshua, ikaw pala yung magandang apple po. Ano po ba nais mo sabihin? Any particular message sa ngalan po ng inyong ninong, kasamahang ninong, at ninang na rin, for baby Zia? Sinabi rin yung ninang kanina, kapaan mo naman konti? Ay, konti na. Aside from pagiging mabait na bata, what else? Sunuring bata, di ba dali ikaw? Sa palakpakan naman natin si Nino. And of course, magtutungo na rin po ako agad-agad with some selected relatives and family, this time of Primo naman. So kanina nag-focus tayo from the Ninang and Ninang sa Zia. Ngayon naman po, proceed tayo kay Primo. So tatawagin ko lang yung mga selected family po niya. And also mga ninang nagpo to give their birthday wish or message for Primo. First up naman po from Primo's family and friends, Ninang Ella. At dito po si Ninang Ella. Ikaw yan! Ay ma'am, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Siyempre, ikaw naman po ay mag-message po sa side ni Primo. Ayun si Primo ko nang tinitignan ka niya. So what is your message for our birthday boy, ma'am?
Hi, Primo! Happy birthday! Stay kind, respectful, and alam ko ng pinakabata. God bless! Happy birthday!
Napaka naman natin. Once again, that was the Ella. How about Ninong Charles? Ninong Charles for Primo. Magandang hapon po, Ninong Charles. Ikaw po na yun. So, of course, Ninong, balita ko, inaanak mo si Primo, tama, sir? So, what is your message po for our birthday boy over there, si Primo?
Happy birthday, Primo.
Sama ko. Ito lang.
Kuya sa mga kapatid mo. Patuloy ko lang ang pagiging mabuting estudyante at anak ng mga magulang mo.
Diba, pag mabuting estudyante, mabuting anak sa pamilya at magulang. Pero baka naman natin ang inspiring message from Ninong Charles. Next naman po sa kanyang immediate family and relatives, Tito Brand. Tito Brand, where are you? Tito Brand, dito po siya? Andyan, nasan po banda? Tinuturo nila, Tito Brand, where are you? Ayun pala si Tito Brand, maganda nga po pataran sa TikTok. Tito, ano po ba ang mensahe niyo para po kay Primo?
Ayun, hello. Happy birthday, Primo. Ay, wala. Sige, happy birthday, Primo, and happy birthday, Zia. Lagi kayo magpapakapait, magmatigas ang ulo, and susunod kayo lagi sa inyong parents para everyday happy. Yo! Happy birthday! Thank you!
Thank you so much. Tapakan naman natin, di ba? And of course, last but not the least, we're pakumpituhin lang po ang maganda sa family at ninong-ninang na rin. For Primo's side, tapakan naman natin, Ninong Ian! Ayan, nandiyan ba si Ninong Ian? Nandiyan daw. Where is he? Ninong Ian? At tapakan ko na. Ninong Ian, magandang hapon. Tara. Hi, sir. Join us here. Ayan, idamay na lang po si Baby Zia. So, kayo po kasi ay isa sa naatasan ng family or parents ng ating birthday boy na si Primo. So, give any message for Baby Boy, yung birthday boy natin. So, isabay niyo na rin po yung kay Zia. Sige, sir.
Primo and Zia, happy birthday. First lang ng inyo sana lumaki kayong mabait na bata at si Primo sana magkaroon ng malalang buti at tuloy pa. Bilang happy birthday.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Ninong. And of course, let's give a round of applause to all our guests, the selected guests Ninong and Nina, na nagbahagi ng kanilang mensahe for Baby Zia and of course, our birthday boy Primo. At dahil wala na matapit-tapit na, palaro na po tayo again with our first game for this afternoon. Actually, we're about to play 2 games na po agad-agad. But before we proceed to the annual blowing of cake for birthday celebrants with together with our lunch na rin. Konting taste of what we are about to proceed with that. Sige, first game na po tayo. Again, hands, just to let you know, for this first game, dalawa ang ating prizes. Parang 2-in-1. 1 winner, 2 prizes po ba natin? Pwede. It depends kung masasagot ko at makakakuha ng tamang correct answer. Okay? So, ito na. For our first question, the first game, actually say, ay ito yung tatawagin natin. Questions, and Primo and Zia. So, yung mga itatanong lang po ako sa inyo, 2 questions, we equivalent to 2 answers, and pag tama po ang sagot, tatanggap po tayo ng prize. Okay, 5 winners lang po muna. So, 2-in-1 question na po ito, dapat masagutin po ang dalawang question in 1. Pag tama, may prize po sa atin. Again, lahat ng ating mga bisita ganyan dito will be given a chance to win our prizes na nakahanda para sa lahat. And if you do know the answer, taas lang po yung kamay para malapitan ko po. And after this, if you got it correctly, you will receive a prize. Okay? 5 winners lang po tayo. And sa prize natin. Okay, nasa baba. Huwag ko pala ako ng prize. Okay, I need food choices. Ayan, hindi pala tatawin 1. Isang pagsama na, ayan, hindi pala ito po in-1, kumbaga isang pack na higit sa 2 ang laman. So, galingan niyo po. Okay, I'll be asking you 1 question, pero 2 yung sagot. Pero pag nakuha mo parehas sa tamang sagot, sa inyo ito ang hawak ko. Daming naman ito, so may huminang sa loob later. Okay, for our first question, you ready? Yung pinakatatungan muna natin, ang ating first question ay, ano ba ang buong pangalan or letters of full names with our 2 birthday celebrants sa iyong araw na ito? Ano ba ang buong pangalan po ng dalawa nating may birthday ngayong hapon? Taas sabay, very rich yung prize. Sino ba nakakalam? Ay, dito! Wala naman dito. Ayan. Sino ba nasagot? Sa dalawang sagot dito, pag nakuha yung 2 tamang sagot sa kanya na to. What's your name, baby boy? Okay. Anong pangalan po muna? Yung pangalan mo na ni Primo, anong pangalan ni Primo? Epilad. How about si baby girl?
Patricia Lucia Esdila.
Patricia Lucia Epilad and Primo Leon Epilad is correct! Wow, memorize yung preso. Yes! Congratulations! Rosan, former President and representative sa game after this. Okay, and then for our next question, eto na nga. Lumagay ako ng additional practice. Ayan. Sige po, eto na. Ayan. So, actually, 2-in-1 tayo po, sir. Ayan, ito na na. Ayan, ito na na. Ayan. Kahit tanong-dalawa ha. Isang tanong-dalawa sagot. Okay, para dalawa preview. Okay, eto na. For my next question, again, ang pangalan ko, or should I say, ang mga pangalan ng ating birthday celebrants are Primo and Patricia, right? Ngayon naman, for my second question ay, ano po ba ang palayaw nila or nickname or mas kilala sila sa pangalang Black? So, aside from the real name Patricia and Primo, meron pa. Taas naman, who would like to try? Dalawang sagot, dalawang premyo. Sir, magandang araw. Ano po pangalan nila, sir? Tayo po kayo. Ayan, tanong kayo sa kanila. Okay. Mami, Daddy, gagawin kayo ng thumbs down. Okay? So, pangalan mo, sir? Sir David. Okay. Unahin ko muna yung first question natin. Ano po ang pagkakaalam niyong palayaw or nickname alias ni Primo? Primo. Literal. Okay. How about Patricia? Ano mo yung narinig yung Primo na tinatawag sa kanya? Zia and Primo. Tingnan natin. That is, parents, that is, hey! Wala ba napakadali lang ng question na diba napakalaman natin? Okay, para ko na po na aside from Primo and Zia, ang isa ba nilang nickname for Primo is Primonito. Tama ba? Primonito. Ano lang? Primonito. May J pala. Primonito. And kay Zia is Zia Pokpok or Pogning. Ayan, yun yung iba ba niya pwede itawag. Okay, last 3 persons go, and this time po, isa-isang sagot tayo. And then we'll proceed na po with our next game. Okay, and then for our next question, taas na ba isang sagot lang po for 1 prize. Ready? Okay,